So in this video we're going to look at area of shapes. Now in earlier videos I have covered the area of a rectangle, call that length and width. The area equals the length times the width. And we also covered the area of a triangle. And we said the area is half of the base times the height, so half of base times height. So we're going to look at parallelograms and going to look at trapeziums. Now, the parallelogram is rather like a rectangle, where you cut a triangle out of one end and put it upside down on the other. So basically, as long as we know the perpendicular height, it's the height between two of the parallel lines, and the base, and it's the same as the rectangle. So the area equals base times height, but it must be the perpendicular height. Now your trapezium is basically half of a parallelogram. So if we call the top and bottom of the trapezium A and B, if we turn this upside down, then our full length would be A plus B. To get the parallelogram formed by the two trapeziums, it would be the base, which is A plus B, times the height. But we don't want the parallelogram, we just want half of it. So there's the formula for the trapezium. Trapezium is half of A plus B, which are the top and bottom, the parallel parts of the trapezium, times the perpendicular height between those parallel lines. So let's have a look at two questions then. So we've been given a parallelogram, and we've been given its height, and we've been given the length of the slope. So the area here then will be the base 12 times, and make sure you get the right measurement of perpendicular height. In this particular example, the slope height is of no use to us. And moving on to the parallelogram, let's say we have the top of 5, base of 13, and a height of 12. So the area then will equal 1/2 of 5 plus 13 times 12. That comes directly from the formula here then, a half. Parallel sides are 5 and 13, must times by the height. Now that's a half times 18 times 12. Now if I half the 18, I'll get 9. 9 times 12, and that is 108 centimeters squared. 9 12s, 2 9s are 18, 1 9 is 9, and 1 is 10. So I can do that without my calculator. So that's area of parallelograms and trapeziums.